really quickly we realized that the project had an opportunity to be special. The bridge was really a study in complexity in and of itself. It was super elevated along a horizontal curve, and it was also designed to be fully integral, so it eliminated the traditional expansion joints and the associated maintenance. In many cases, it was a matter of inches between a feasible design and a return to the drawing board. During our design of the trail improvements, we focused on those small details, and we worked closely with the bicycle community in Colorado Springs to incorporate these details that allow the trail not just to function, but to function very smoothly for its users. We focused on the location where the sidewalks connect to the trail, and we also maximized trail radii to allow experienced and confident riders to maintain their speeds through the project. And when you look at the trail today as it's completed, it really does function smoothly. And so we're happy about that and proud to make that contribution to the community. This project was comprehensive, it was challenging, and more than anything, it was impactful on the community.